Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you on how to remove your profile picture on TikTok. Okay, just open your TikTok application or device and then go to your profile page, and then here just tap on the edit profile below your profile picture. This one here. And then here just tap on the change photo. Okay, since in the list of the options, there's no such option as deleting your photo. Okay, so all you need to do now is just to close your TikTok application and go to Google and then search for a blank profile picture. Okay, and then tap on the picture that you think you like. Okay, let's choose this one, and then download the image. Okay. Now you can go back to your TikTok app and then tap again the change photo. Then tap on select from library option. And then tap on the photo that you just downloaded. This one. Okay, and then tap on confirm. Now you can see, you can choose this image as your profile picture. You can tap on save and post, and then tap on save again, then wait for a few minutes to upload your new profile picture. And that's it. That's how you can remove your profile picture on TikTok. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos in the future. Bye.